In this lesson, I want to tell you about the naming in PDMS. First up, you must know that name is an attribute. For example, with the command q space name. Q is an abbreviation for query. As you see, the name appears 100/b/1. This is name of our current element. Name is an attribute that used in all MTOs or is used in all MTOs, all reports, and so on. In another way, from the menu query attributes. As you see, the first attribute that appears in this form is the name of element. When you are creating an element, you must give it a particular name. For example, 100/b/1 for a pipe. This naming is meaningful. In this case, 100 is the bore of the pipe, B is its piping class, and /1 is pipe sequence number. If you don't give a name to an element, the software will automatically allocate a name to that. For example, as you see, this pipe has 3 branches, and each branch have too many components. We are not needed to give a particular name to each component, and as you see, the software give automatic names to them. For example, gasket 1, flange 1, gasket 4, flange 3, and so on. Naming in PDMS have some particular points. First up, during a multiple database, you are not allowed to repeat a name. A name of a component must be unique across all databases of a multiple database. As you see, one more time, Q name. Name in PDMS in all cases start with /, and when you need to use a name in a particular command, you must start that name with a /. Also, small letters and capital letters make difference in a name. For example, if you have a flange 2 name with all capital letters, it's a different name with flange 2 with, for example, F is a small letter and others are capital letters. During naming, you are not allowed to use a space, but you can use asterisk, a star, dash, a slash, and so on. Just one element, that's word, doesn't let you to change its name. As you see, the word name is / plus a star. You can't rename your word.